mom for still dressing me as an adult. Still picking out my clothes to wear. Yep, I'm an adult. I let my mom pick my clothes. Just tried a birding group today. It's my first one. Hopefully I try the afternoon, but I might stick to the mornings. I need a home. I'm job searching. Shout out to mental health. If you got therapy, black people need therapy. I mean, church is cool, but honestly, you need some formal training, some people that are objective, you know, help you regulate your emotions. All right, like I said, shout out to Black Mental Health. We in the Big Apple. Long Island's just a worm. True to thyself, neat.